Meaning of Darwin.
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 Darwin. Darwin refers to Charles Darwin, a British naturalist who proposed the theory of evolution through natural selection in his book On the Origin of Species in 1859. Darwin's theory revolutionized the way scientists and society understood the diversity of life on Earth, stating that organisms evolve over time in response to their environment and that those with advantageous traits are more likely to survive and reproduce. Darwin's work continues to have a profound impact on the fields of biology and anthropology, and his legacy as a scientific pioneer remains celebrated around the world.